it, yo! Hey! Fuck! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One!
Drop it now, I'm gonna shoot you!
I'm doing this.
It's alright! It's alright, drop it now!
On November 17, 2025, Los Angeles police responded to reports of an armed assault suspect in the area. What began as a search for a man with a gun quickly escalated into a foot pursuit and a critical encounter.
I saw that guy in all black right here, but I can't see. I just saw clothes.
Oh, yeah, he's bald too.
Yeah. Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe.
Reach for that guy.
Lift up your hands. Hands in the air.
Hands in the
All the
air.
way up. All the way up.
Brother.
All the way up.
Hands up.
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Brother, you got to get shot.
Don't move. Don't reach for it. Okay, we gotta go less lethal.
You got lethal.
Okay. Go.
Hey, hey. He's got a gun, he's got a gun,
He's got a gun, guys.
Hey, drop it, yo! Hey! Fuck! Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you! Hey! Drop it! Drop it now! Twenty-way 5, he's northbound Northgate, 83. Hey! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Drop it! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One!
Drop it now! I'm gonna shoot you!
I'm doing this.
It's alright! It's alright! Drop it now!
Let's go, sir.
Drop it now! It's okay! I'm gonna help you! Hey!
Nah, leave me alone. Let's see it.
It's not a big deal! Nothing happened! Hey! Nothing happened! You're not in trouble! You're not in trouble! Okay, drop it! Okay, drop it! Drop it or you're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro! Come on! Hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro! Trust me! Trust me, bro! Trust me, bro! Hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro!
Why you guys doing this to me?
Hey, you're fine! Hey, hey! Let me help you! Let me help you! Drop it now! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help!
All units, officer needs help. Northgate and Topanga, officer needs help. Northgate and Topanga, shots fired. Any area in command of Topanga Freakus.
After firing at officers, the suspect dropped the firearm and was taken into custody following a brief struggle. No officers or community members were injured, and the suspect was not struck by gunfire. A loaded handgun was recovered at the scene. The incident remains under investigation.